In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to configure engine RPM and output state onto the NTK network using the A037. Monitoring RPM is crucial for assessing engine performance and enhancing safety at sea. It provides real-time insights into engine efficiency, allowing you to detect issues early and maintain optimal operating conditions. Here, you can see how the power cables are connected to the device. Before connecting, please ensure that the power source is switched off and disconnected. As you can see on the panel of the device, the ground must be connected to pinout 15, with the 12-volt power going to pinout 16. Simply push the tab on the connector block and insert the cable, ensuring that a secure connection has been made. When connecting RPM inputs to the A037, you must locate the correct pinout that you will require. In this case, it's pinout 23 for the ground, pinout 25 for the positive or data wire. Simply push the tab on the relevant pinout, insert the cable and release the tab, again ensuring a secure connection has been made. Next up, we'll be connecting the NTK drop cable. As with all NTK devices, it is as simple as connecting the female end of the drop cable to the male connection on the device. Ensure the tab is aligned correctly and the locking system is securely tightened. The first step after launching the configuration tool is to choose the required pinout from the drop-down list at the top. We are using RPM1 pinout 25, so click this. This will bring up the setup and calibration sections. Here you can set your maximum and minimum values, some preset sensor types, but also to configure your own parameters. In the middle of the screen, marker represents the measured hertz value and value is the known RPM. In this example, we have a reading of 30 with the engine at 1800 RPM. So we know that the output signal reaches 30 Hz at 1800 RPM. In this case, we will set our marker as 1800, which can be worked out as 30 Hz every second for 60 seconds, and the associated value is 1800, which is the RPM. You can then raise the RPM of the engine to different levels to get the coverage of readings. You will find the value pairs will be linear. Once you have filled out your markers and values like we have here, click Save. Next, we need to configure the NTK output setting. Navigate to this tab. Here you can see the list is grouped by PGN. In this case, we need PGN 147488 Engine Rapid Update. Here you can see multiple parameters share the same PGN. You can easily select the associated pinout for the desired sensor type. We're using pinout 25 for our RPM sensor, so we must select this from the drop-down menu. Next, click Enable PGN at the bottom and then click Save. This data will now be set up and transmitting through your NTK network.